Hi po. What's your target PR?
Target PR ko, ilan ba tatakbuhin natin?
10K po.
10K sub 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Ikaw po, ano pong target PR?
Feel ko hihigitan ka siya, sub 10 minutes.
Grabe.
Sub 1 hour 30.
Ay, ano talaga? Eh, hi mo, good morning.
2 minutes kaya pa yun. 2 minutes.
Ako po ay taga Mandurriao, Iloilo.
Iloilo.
Hi lang da sa mga gwapo ka taga Iloilo. Shout out sa mga...
Bumusina ka naman.
Shout out.
Kategorya ko eh.
Pasok siya. Pinto taga Iloilo siya po.
Thank you po talaga. Thank you po. Ito po.
Okay na yun.
Ganyan yung kape ko. Oo, syempre po post ko. Hi, what's your target PR for today?
Sub 30.
Sub 30?
10K.
So, nagka-grime. Punas lang mawawala na.
Sample nga.
Pero yung... Parang sa Lasol Manila, yung hydropellet.
So may pag-asa pa bang pumuti yun sa akin?
Oo, kaya yan, laban lang. Or...
Pwede pong making soda?
Oh!
Hindi ba pwede pa-tempered na lang? Kasi papatempered ko talaga yung sa akin.
Jelly case.
Oo, tsaka privacy para pag tamang angulo din nila.
Pasapaksahan.
What's your target price for 10K?
Oh, pa-enjoy nga ako eh. Yeah, Cello. Ay, Cello. Eh, did you on Facebook ka?
Ay, talaga ba?
Oo.
Sorry.
Sorry. Kumain na kayo?
So, kakampi na po kami.
Kasi naman tayo.
What's your target time for 10K?
10K ba? Hindi ko nga alam na 10K.
Sub 30?
Sub 1.
Hi, excuse me miss. What's your target time for 10K?
30.
Sub 30.
30 hours.
What's your target time for 10K po?
Sub 30.
Sub 30 din. Naka-race day outfit din siya today. Sawadee-kap. Hi po, what shoes are you wearing today?
Super Blast 2.
Ikaw po, what shoes are you wearing today?
Deviate Night Retrieve.
Ay, fully paid. Ikaw, what shoes are you wearing today?
Full drip, Nova Blast 5 top.
Ikaw, Kim, sawadee-kap.
Sawadee-kap. Adidas Boston 12.
Ikaw.
Not yet paid.
Not yet paid. Ikaw, Via, what shoes are you wearing today?
Hoka, I don't know, I forgot.
Basta Hoka. Ikaw, Tony.
Evo SM.
Ikaw, Dale, what shoes are you wearing today?
Nike Pegasus.
Oo.
Ay, libreng-libre.
41.
Ano si Sai?
Balik mo sa kanya.
Ay, muna.
Yan, nag-aabangin si Tom.
What shoes are you wearing today?
I'm wearing the Nike Alpha Flight 3 fully paid.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Let's go! Malikabok pala!
Papadumi na agad.
Padumi na agad.
Paano?
Otits, what are you wearing today? Your shoes. Extend. Hi what shoes are you wearing today?
I'm wearing Metaspeed.
Ang angas nga.
Gamot yung mga ni. Nirepair ko yung sarili ko ng tape.
Okay kids, welcome to Race Village. Dito tayo sa Race Village natin. So this is where we're gonna have our warm up.
Dito tayo mag-start.
Warm up tayo dito tapos doon tayo mag-start. Welcome to Race Village guys. Make sure to drop off your baggage. Lalo na emotional. I know right? Santolan Station. Oo nga.
Sarang yung gate, baka may pumasok.
Pasok.
Pumasok. Kabila.
Warm up.
Two lines.
Ayun, hinahanap ko eh. Okay, habang fresh pa tayo. Let's go. Habang fresh pa, let's go.
Kita ko nga yung false flat.
Ito yung nakakatakot ako.
Let's go. Let's go. Looking in. Yes. Let's go, Deeps. I just can't myself away. So, kamusta naman po ang ahon, ladies?
Okay pa naman.
Okay pa, kaya pa, kaya pa.
Ito lang.
Kamusta?
Hindi pa nakahiga.
Hindi, kailangan
Wala po.
pa para
10 minutes. 10 minutes, 10K.
Very easy. Feel
Let's go, easy!
easy. Hi, Kim. Partida injured. Let's go, Tits. Ay, ang lakas, oh.
Sino parang di pa
Binasic. Let's go. You are a marathoner. I got sunshine. Vibe.
marathoner.
You are a marathoner. Marathon. Congratulations, you are a marathoner. You're a marathoner. That's 7K for us. Cut short dahil may init. Kamusta ang 7K, Hans?
Init, grabe, pero nice heat training. Hindi ko pa na-resume.
Hindi ba narala? Kamusta ang 7K, Otits?
Okay, pero hindi na-resume yung trauma.
Ayun lang, Ani. How 7K?
Oh, we survived.
7K.
We survived.
Sige, sige. How 7K? Let's go. This is 7K.
Surely like mine. Yes, I.
Kaya si Ervin eh.
Uy, B!
Ervin.
Oh, pogi oh!
How 7K? How 7K run? Parang di ko ito isa.
Look, I have foods.
You run with foods, no? Napaka-basic. How 7K, Kim? Good.
Naalala ko doon ako nagpalit-palit sa Adidas na truck.
Post-run. Post-run meal. Post-run meal.
Dinner dapat yesterday.
Color box.
Libre naman. Pero pwede siyang ano? Pwede siyang slide. Roll. Drive.
Yet. Wala reverse.
Wow! Sino mo kayo? Ulit.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Slide. Back, drive. Go.
Ano ba yung drive nyo?
Cross.
Right hand by pan drive.
Ay.
Sino ho kayo?
Team.
May normal yung isa.
Uwi.
Grabe yung static ko.
Ay, diyan kayo.
Oh!
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the success.
Ang cute nga eh.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Siguro ang yaman mo.
Sa Wadikap, we are unboxing. Ano tawag dito, Hans?
Kasi inhaler.
Inhaler from Thailand, courtesy of Kim Lambert. Unboxing tayo today.
Yung buong Blackpink kasi ni ganito na sila eh. Like ito yung naamoy nila.
Kailangan kayo dito.
Tapos meron yung sa Olympics yan yung inamoy ng Thai athlete bago nagbuhat ng yung snatch.
Diba? In the booster.
Okay, so
Success ka eh! Bigla kang sumakses eh!
I love this.
Oo, yung mamalakas na namin ganito.
Sa room daw yun.
And Jody, tatalunin ka na namin.
Chika punta! That concludes Wednesdays at Vermosa with the Norcati crew. So we were supposed to run a total of 10 kilometers, but we have decided to cut it short because the sun was up early and we're not prepared for that kind of summer heat. So we finished at 7 kilometers, and I think at around 7-minute pace, and I think it was a good training for most of us. So you know naman, with them, it's always fun, it's always vibrant, it's always colorful. You always go there for the vibe. That's why even Vin, he just went there just to vibe. He did not run at all, and mad props to you, Vin, for showing up. And I really hope that we can do this more, like road trips, bonding, socializing during and after runs. Although medyo there are challenges logistics, because of course we have limited seats available sa capacity namin. We try to make it work. So hopefully we can get to invite more or include more into these kinds of runs in a more feasible manner. So at least we double the fun each time that we include more folks into this kinds of social running event. And again, I'll just let you I think you have seen the video, how fun it was. Wasn't able to record everything, of course, because I have to be in that moment, being with them, participating with socializing and all in. Yeah, I guess this is beyond running. This is I think these are friends, these are family that I really look forward being with every single week. We're into deep in this kind of culture that we have created. So again, thanks guys for showing up, and I guess I see you in the next run. Like we'll be having one this coming Saturday with 5M Gang at UP Diliman, and Sunday at Ayala Triangle Gardens. So I hope to see you guys on our next run. And again, today was really great. Bye bye.